Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a dowel cutter so that you can cut your dowel to any length, any size that you want. You can even make small plugs with a perfectly square cut every time. Doweling is tricky to cut because A, it's round. That makes it automatically pretty awkward for a saw blade. Holding it steady on the miter saw doesn't really do the trick because I still get an uneven cut. Cutting small plugs is even worse. If you're trying to get those plugs to be square, good luck. They're not going to turn out square on the miter saw. They're actually going to be pretty badly butchered. Often it's dangerous to do this on the miter saw because the offcut will bounce off the back of the miter saw. In the worst case scenario, it'll ricochet and hit you in the face. You don't want any of that. I don't want any of that, so we're going to change that today. I'm going to use my miter fence, which I haven't actually used in quite a while, and it has T-slots cut into it already. What I'm going to do is make this dowel cutter an add-on to my existing miter fence. And if you haven't seen the video build for my existing miter fence, go check it out in the description below. In this video, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend the functionality of my miter fence, and that'll make the rest of the jig fairly easy to put together. So with that, let's get to it. Again, it's one of those jigs I wish I had built a long time ago. This multi-size dowel cutting jig is going to work out tremendously with my cross-cut fence. It includes all the common sizes that I use. Of course, I might have room to squeeze in one more if I want to add one more hole, but for the most part, this is going to cover 99% of the dowel work that I do here in the shop. I'm really happy with this. It's a great addition to the cross-cut fence. This is going to make working with doweling so much easier. I'll get a nice perfect straight cut with zero tear out every single time. If you want to help me continue to make and edit these videos, head on over to my donation page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching, and have a great day.